Download Mandalay Chinese. Use our code to unlock free courses and get 100 points in the app.
There are a total of 23 initials in Pinyin. Let's begin with the first 11 initials. These initials are relatively easy to pronounce because they are similar to the consonant sounds used in the Latin alphabet, such as b, d, f, g, and so on. To hear the initials more clearly, we will add the simple final O to the first 4 initials and the simple final to the next 7. So the first 11 initials are as follows: bo, po, mo, fo, de, te, ne, le, ge, ke, he. Initials can be combined with other simple finals to form different words. For example, the character for dad or father is ba. The pinyin ba is made up of the initial bo and the final a. Bo, a, ba. This character should be read in the fourth tone. Ba, 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 ba. Another example would be the word for you, 你. The pinyin for 你 is made up of the initial ne and the final i. Ne, i, ni. 你 should be read in the third tone. Ni, 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 ni. And finally, the word for older brother is 哥. The pinyin 哥 is made up of the initial 哥 and the final 哥, 哥, 哥. 哥 should be read in the first tone, so it is 哥.
Download Mandalay Chinese. Use our code to unlock free courses and get 100 points in the app.